In this video, I want to go over the parts and I want to go over how to repair a coax cable for a RG-59 75 ohm coax that goes from the Mylaps decoder to the loop wire at the finish line. And here we have a repair kit from Mylaps that includes everything you need. It comes with 5 BNC connectors, and it also comes with the repair kit for the crimping wires and the cutter. You want to examine your coax cable first. If you've damaged your coax by pulling it and then it broke, you probably had a coax that you cannot make a repair to, or it's just not worth making a repair. If you had a clean cut on your coax, it should be pretty easy to make a repair with this kit. There's 3 parts that make up the BNC end, and these 3 parts, and then we have the relief boot. So in making a repair, you want to start out with a nice clean cut. Then we're going to slide our relief boot on, and then after the relief boot, we're going to slide our collar down. And the reason we do this is something we gotta have on here already, so whenever we make the repair, we just slide these right up. This cutter comes with making 3 cuts at one time. As you see the adjustment screw here, these are the 3 cuts that are gonna make. It's gonna strip the right stripping that we need. I've already set this, it doesn't come preset. So we're just gonna start out. And I'm gonna end up with a lot of extra on the end, but that's okay, we'll just cut that off. So just start going around, go in one more click, and just slowly make the cutter go deeper. And then I think I got one more click here. And after making a clean cut, we'll open this up. And now we have all of our cuts. Pull that off, there's the center core. And this is going to have a little bit of shreds to it. And then we'll slide the sleeve off. And now that we've got this, we're going to take the shielding and just slide it out so that we can slide the BNC end on. And this will go back over top of the BNC end. Now we need to cut this center rod so it's not so long. This is going to go into here, so I need to just cut a little bit of the end of that off. And then once we have this slid onto the end, we're going to use our crimping plier. And here you'll see this really small hole here. We're just going to put the center down into that and crimp it. And so I crimped with that small hole and just give this a pull and make sure it's all nice and tight. The next thing we're going to take, we're going to slide our BNC end in, and as we slide it in, we're going to hear it make a click down in, and that way you know it's locked in. Once you get this locked in, you can't take it back out. And then I heard that clip in, and I'm going to put my shielding back over top of the BNC end, and then slide my collar over. And then we're going to use our crimp tool. Here we're going to use the 59 section. Go right into here. Make sure the collar slid all the way up. Crimp it down. Again, give it a good test, and then slide our relief boot back up. If you're going to have a connection like this, you will need a BNC barrel that goes into the middle. The BNC barrel looks like this. If you do use a BNC barrel, make sure that this stays a clean and dry connection, and then you should have no problem with the repair.